Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Telegram video download problems. So go ahead and open up your Telegram, right? And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click the settings at the bottom right, right? And then go ahead to the data and storage. First of all, you're gonna go ahead to the storage and you're gonna clear the cache and clear entire cache. Right? Go back, go to the network, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna reset the statistics, right? And then go back, right? Next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and then scroll a little bit down to find Telegram, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, aka clearing cache, and then re-download it again using your credentials. Alright, excuse me, or you can re-download it again without missing any of the information. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.